Okay, next what we have here on the clock spotlight is a quartz wall clock, an unknown one. If you guys can tell me who made this clock, put it in the comments below. I really will appreciate it. I really do not know who made this clock, to be honest. This pendulum, you can still see the movement in there. Sorry, I forgot to turn the flash on, so it may be a little bit dark. But as you can see, this clock does not chime. This pendulum.
Hey, Auntie.
So,
make sure you wash your blades too.
It's a really cool clock, to be honest. Sides. Same hook. That is a pain in the butt to get on. This one probably has the same hook. Yep. So this one is the right time. Hang on, let me check this one to see if it is. Yep. Wait, these two are past two. This one is like on two. I locked it in. I have to lock the hand in order for it to be on the right time. But there's nothing really much to say about this clock except flea market for 15 bucks. What a deal for a wall clock like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and be sure to stay tuned for some more clock spotlights, and see ya.